This is a picture of my porch from last October when I first started YouTubing or creating content for YouTube. Just so you can get an idea what the whole porch looks like. The siding was filthy, and I hated sitting out there staring at filthy siding. So let me give you an idea what it looked like. So this project started, much like many of my projects, I was just going to straighten up the porch and get rid of a few things. I wound up getting rid of a porch swing, a chair that rocked back and forth, but the seat had split out of it, and a really nice stroller I didn't need anymore. Oh well, there's Archer. But you always have to picture of Archer in our stuff. So that's how dirty the siding was. That's how it looked with all the crap on the porch. Yeah, that's pretty much how it looked. I started sweeping things up and removing things. That's the wagon wheel I got from my dad. And once I started cleaning, I was amazed. Yes, I used a rag and soapy water. That was it. Here is the side table I have on the porch. And there's the front of the curved areas of the porch and my husband's cigar stand. And there's the round area that I swept off. And that's swept off. And I took, that's a dirty window, isn't it? So I took apart the windows, cleaned and cleaned and cleaned. I had my shop vac picking up all the bugs and yuck. And yeah, every bit of trim I washed by hand. So you can see that middle one's done, but that one by the wagon wheel is not done. Now it is. And I just love taking pictures of clean windows, evidently. There's my purple rocking chair. My husband painted that for me. I love it. Before and after. There is the before again. And the right side before and after, with a bit of dirt up there in the corner still. And the inside of the door before, I didn't get an after on that. And there's the two things I was giving away. Just don't need them. And now the porch is much clearer. Is it perfect? No. I don't think unless you are there, you can appreciate how much cleaner it is. And I love sitting out there now, and it gives me peace. So I hope you have a great summer and find your peace.